Okay. If you think that you are getting scammed or if you're talking to someone new online and you just want to make sure that that is the right person you're talking to, I have a website for you, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, this website is absolutely perfect, especially if you have a phone number. It is a crazy and dangerous world out there, so this makes me feel completely and 100% safe. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. I haven't even gotten to the best part, but it is completely free. Okay, the website is called NumLookup, and you can look up any phone number in the US. You guys should be thanking me for this because this is absolutely insane and so easy to use. Okay, so you'll go to this website right up here, NumLookup, and when you first click on it, it'll show you, give information about it, but then you can also hit the phone number and type that phone number in. Okay, so I actually used a phone number that I randomly got a text from saying it was someone, but I just didn't recognize who it was. Okay, so once I put that phone number in, I hit the search button. It took a couple seconds, but then the report was ready to see. Okay, so as you can see, it popped up and gave me the full name, which actually was not at all the name that the person that texted me said it was. Okay, so as you keep scrolling, it'll show you the type of phone that they have, so whether it's mobile or landline, but also down below it gives you like the phone provider as well, which I find really cool. Okay, what's even crazier than that, if you keep scrolling down, it'll give you their address, even their gender, and their age. Like, technology these days is absolutely insane. So if you have a phone number that you're just not for sure about, or the person that's talking to you, use this website. It is absolutely my holy grail for this. Please let me know how it works for you guys, and as well, if you want more tips, follow for more.